BrightSign HD225 Digital Signage Appliance Review. Reliable 4K HDR power for real AV setups. If you manage digital signage, you already know the quiet stress. A screen freezes 5 minutes before a client walkthrough. A looping video stutters during peak store traffic. Someone calls because the display rebooted overnight after an automatic update. That low, constant tension builds. And here is the thing. It is rarely the screen itself. It is the media player behind it. You spend hours double-checking cables, swapping laptops, or restarting consumer devices that were never designed for 24/7 commercial use. The result is wasted time, missed impressions, and a subtle hit to your credibility. Over time, those small interruptions compound. A menu board that lags during lunch rush affects customer flow. A corporate dashboard that drops frames undermines confidence in the data. You begin scheduling manual reboots just in case, adding another task to an already full week. Let me explain why this drains more than time. It erodes trust in your infrastructure. Teams hesitate to build interactive features because they worry about stability. IT departments avoid firmware updates for fear of breaking compatibility. Instead of innovating, you are managing risk. And when content becomes more advanced, like 4K HDR video or HTML5 dashboards tied to live data, the pressure increases. Consumer hardware starts showing limits. You need reliability, security, and consistent performance, not a patchwork of fixes. Here is what finally worked. The BrightSign HD225 Digital Signage Appliance. Don't just pick any digital signage player. Make sure it has a purpose-built operating system so you never suffer random crashes and forced updates again. The HD225 runs on BrightSign OS, engineered specifically for commercial signage. It supports 4K 60p video with HDR10, modular 2D HTML5 motion graphics, and a wide range of professional formats, including MP4, MOV, MKV, and HEVC. Gigabit Ethernet ensures stable network delivery, while GPIO and IR enable interactive triggers for sensors and buttons. It is ultra-thin, aluminum-housed, and wall-mountable. Quietly, it becomes the dependable core of your display strategy. In practice, the advantages feel immediate. Retailers use the BrightSign HD225 Digital Signage Appliance to run sharp 4K 60p HDR content that holds up under bright lighting and long operating hours. Industry analysts at Galaxis describe it as a powerful solution for interactive applications, highlighting its flexible I/O integration with Ethernet, GPIO, and IR. That means you can connect motion sensors for wayfinding or trigger content with external buttons without adding fragile middleware. A corporate IT manager I spoke with appreciated the passive cooling and fanless aluminum design because fewer moving parts mean fewer failure points. There is one honest limitation. The HD225 does not include USB or RS-232 ports. If your deployment requires those, the HD1025 variant is the better fit. But for single, non-touch 4K displays, the Focus design keeps things simple and stable. So ask yourself, do you want a media player that behaves like a PC, or one built exclusively for signage? That distinction shapes your long-term workflow. At its core, the BrightSign HD225 Digital Signage Appliance replaces uncertainty with consistency. You gain 4K HDR clarity, purpose-built stability, and interactive flexibility in a compact aluminum form. BrightSign players are widely deployed across retail, education, and corporate environments because they are designed for uptime, not experimentation. If you are planning a professional signage rollout or upgrading aging hardware, this is a logical step to explore. You can find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Take a look, review the specs, and decide if it fits your setup.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.